Hi everybody, you're watching NDTV Swirlster, and if you are a beauty enthusiast in any shape or form, you will know that gold and saffron are amazing ingredients, especially for your skin. Saffron is well known for its ability to brighten and to nourish the skin, while gold is a great ingredient to fight the signs of aging. So, when I got my hands on a product that combined both of those ingredients in one bottle, of course, I was very eager to try it. So, today I have with me the Mantra Glowing Face Gel. This is from their Anantam Ageless collection. Now this is of course the package in which it comes. The glowing face gel is made with 24 carats of gold as well as saffron in the form of essential oil. It also has an aloe vera gel base, glycerin, and a lot more Ayurvedic ingredients in an Ayurvedic formula. It has a lot going for it, and I will tell you more as well as my experience using this product, so keep watching. Now the Mantra Glowing Face Gel comes in this kind of packaging. As you can see, it is a sturdy cardboard box. At the base of it is the details of the product, what is not in the product, which includes silicone, paraben and paraffin, as well as no artificial colors and fragrances. More details are at the side, as well as a complete look at the formulation and the ingredients at the back of the product. At the base of the box is the details about its price and where it is manufactured. The price of this product is approximately rupees 2499. This is a look at it, and I am going to open it up for you now. Now this is what the glowing face gel looks like from Mantra. It has 50 grams of product inside this bottle. As you can see speckles of gold from the inside itself. That is the hero ingredient in this product, as well as the saffron, of course. It is a clear bottle that is made of plastic. The cap is also made of plastic, and it has a pump dispenser. Now I am going to swatch it for you right here. Pump dispenses easily. That's a look at it. Just going to slide it onto my hand right here. The glowing face gel from Mantra heroes two of skincare's biggest, most renowned ingredients, that is gold and saffron. Saffron in this case is with essential oil, and gold is through nanoparticles. I like the detail that has gone into this formula because it brings those ingredients to your skin, but in a format that your skin can actually take in, which is in its finest forms. That is also a little detail that I like of the actual formula of this product. It is gel, and it really feels like a nice gel. It doesn't have silicones, it doesn't have mineral oils, parabens, SLS, none of that, and it feels so comfortable on your skin. You saw from the close-ups, once I dispensed it from the pump and applied it, it went on so easily. In fact, it is just a matter of minutes later and it is completely absorbed in my skin. There is no residue left back, so it really soaked in very nicely. It felt comfortable and very light on the skin. I found that for my skin type specifically, which is oily, it felt really comfortable on it. That's a really nice touch when you want to apply your product on this kind of a skin type. It feels comfortable and it doesn't feel like anything is weighing down. One thing is, instantly I did notice that the skin really looked brighter. I would say that is because of the gold speckles that is in the formula. It is almost like a highlighter of sorts because of these speckles. They add a bit of radiance to the skin even if you just use this product alone, and even in a matter of seconds it really does show through. This product in particular promises to protect against discoloration, to fight the signs of aging, as well as help the skin retain moisture. I found that in terms of moisturization, it did work in tandem with a good moisturizer. I don't think it would work well alone, but it worked in tandem with one, and it really helped the skin maintain that moisture level well. However, when it comes to fighting the signs of aging as well as protecting against discoloration, those are more long term properties which can be seen after prolonged usage of more than a month or so, particularly with this product. Now the price is 2,500 rupees for 50 grams of product, but I found it a bit pricey. But at the same time, this is a premium product, that is something to note. And though it is pricey, I noticed that you have to use a very small amount of product each time you use it, so you do not need to use that larger pump if you are using it on your face. So very little of it is consumed each time you use it. But I would have liked a little firmer, sturdier packaging. This is plastic made, and this product at this price point, being a premium product, I would have expected a little firmer, sturdier product. I like the box that it came in. I found this very premium and very suiting the range and the product, but I would have liked the bottle as well to be sturdier, the bottle in which it came in. Overall, I found this a great product to add in with the skin if it targets the problems that you have. It felt very comfortable. It feels great. I find the fragrance of it a little strong, even though it has no added fragrance. That is something to take note of. But if it is something you can get past, or if your skin doesn't get irritated with fragrance, then that's nothing to worry about really. It feels comfortable, it feels good, and if it is working for the kind of problems you have in your skincare worries, I would say, in your list of skincare worries, then this might be a great product to add to your routine.